Are you Gen Z and looking to make money online fast? Today, we'll explore AI-powered side hustles that are perfect for beginners and experts alike. These methods are trending in 2025 and can help you earn real income from home. The world of AI is expanding rapidly, and with it comes new opportunities to earn online. In this video, we'll cover 5 AI-powered side hustles that are accessible, profitable, and perfect for Gen Z. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start today. Hustle number 1 is AI content creation. Use tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, or WriteSonic to generate articles, social media posts, or marketing copy. You can offer these services on Fiverr or Upwork and earn $201,000 per month as a beginner. Hustle number 2 is AI-generated graphics and design. Platforms like Canva AI, Midjourney, and Leonardo AI allow you to create logos, social media visuals, and digital art in minutes. Sell these designs to clients or marketplaces like Etsy. Hustle number 3 is AI video creation. Tools like Pictory.ai, Synthesia, and Runway let you generate high-quality videos quickly. You can create explainer videos, YouTube shorts, or marketing videos for clients and earn $502,000 per month. Hustle number 4 is AI-powered social media management. AI tools like Buffer, Hootsuite AI, and Lately.ai can schedule posts, generate captions, and analyze performance. Offer management services to small businesses or content creators. Hustle number 5 is AI-powered niche research and SEO. Use AI tools like Surfer SEO, Ahrefs, or SEMrush to identify profitable niches, keywords, and content gaps. Offer SEO research services or blog optimization for clients. To recap, the 5 AI-powered side hustles for Gen Z are AI content creation, AI-generated graphics, AI video creation, AI social media management, and AI SEO and niche research. Start with one hustle, focus on building your skills, and scale up. Comment below which hustle you'll try first. And don't forget to subscribe for more AI and side hustle tips.